White Morley, and the issue is AIDS in Africa. Now, Mr. White Morley, before we had our break, we promised that we would give you an opportunity to talk about AIDS in Africa, and we still want to do that. But I think that some of the information that you gave us during this first segment is of such significance that I would like to sort of follow it up, and especially to deal with this as an issue on college campuses. You know, I think that Nashville has a number of colleges and universities and et cetera. What impact do you think that this disease is having upon collegiate students?
A tremendous impact. As a mother, I have children in college, and I have a senior in high school. As a mother, we definitely want our children to abstain from sex. But as you know, everything is sex-based. Everything is sells sex. And it is having a tremendous impact on our college campuses. A lot of our historic black universities locally are being devastated by HIV and sexually transmitted diseases. Countless young women have come into our office seeking support, either for an HIV test or the morning after pill or STD information, those kinds of things. We are making tremendous inroads into the college campuses, but the colleges could do more to assist us. They could call us and ask us to come. We spend a lot of time trying to pursue them, trying to get to the dorm rooms and trying to get those things. But if they would be more inclined to contact us and tell us where they need for us to put their information, we're more than willing. We have a youth peer educator whom, as I said, is in college. We're more than willing to come on the college campuses and lead groups in talking about HIV. And you know, again, we don't want our children to have sex, but they are. And negotiating sex skills is a skill that needs to be taught. Condom use needs to be taught. Those types of things need to be taught to our young people. Yes, we want them to abstain. Absolutely. I'm sure everyone would agree that we want them to abstain. But if our children are having sex, they need to be taught how to protect themselves, because HIV is real. And I'm not saying that condoms are a cure for anything, because as a matter of fact, condoms are not a cure for a lot of sexually transmitted diseases that live outside of the body area that surrounds a condom. However, it is right now one of the only tools that we have, and our children need to learn about it.
Well, you know, if this is a real question on college campuses, it seems that not much is being said in terms of from the universities themselves in reference to that. What would you suggest that they do?
I think faculty needs to be more involved in the realistic things that are happening on college campuses. If there were clinics made available on some of the campuses where information could be housed, if they would have in-service programs in some of the social sciences or some of the psychology programs, there needs to be some sort of faculty level support and faculty